All right, this one says to graph the linear equation using the slope and the y-intercept. So the steps for doing that are really three basic steps. First, you put the equation in the form y equals mx plus b, because if we're going to use the slope and the y-intercept to draw the graph, then we can quickly see the slope and the y-intercept. It's staring us in the face, in fact, when the equation's in this form. There's the slope, there's the y-intercept. Well, this equation is already in that form, so we don't have to do it for this problem. We won't always be this lucky, but step one's done for us. So the second step then is to plot the y-intercept. So there it is. The y-intercept is -2. We're going to put that on the graph. And then we're going to get a second point by starting at the y-intercept. Use the fact that the slope is the change in y over the change in x, the rise over the run. We use that to find our second point. So let's take a look at this down here and show you how it looks. You don't have to put it on graph paper, but it's easier to explain it that way, and you might want to do that just to be extra careful. All right, so it's already in y equals mx plus b form. We said the y-intercept here is -2. All right, so that's that point right there, crosses the y-axis at a -2. That's the point 0, -2. Now we're going to use the slope, which is 2/3, which is the change in y, which is the rise, over the change in x, which is the run. Starting here, starting at our first point, we're going to go 2 units in the y direction. That's a +2. Since it's a +2, I'm going to go up 2 units. And then 3 units in the x direction. That's a +3. Since it's a +3, I'm going to move to the right 3 units. So I went up 2 and over 3, and that puts me right here. So that's my second point, which is 3, 0. So using those points, we're going to go over to my math lab, and it'll draw the line for us once we put in the 2 points. All right, so let's go over here, hit the magnifying glass, hit the straight line tool. We said the y-intercept was 0, -2, so there it is. And then we said the change in y over the change in x, so the change in y was up 2. The change in x is over 3. Look up in the upper right-hand corner there. You can see you're at the point 3, 0. Hit that second point, draws a line for us. Hit save, hit check answer, and we're good to go.